So far we learned how to solve one-step equations when x, or your variable, is separated by an addition or a subtraction problem. Today we're learning how to do one-step equations when it's going to be a multiplication or division type of problem. And what we have to do is the same as before. In order to solve, what we need to do is isolate the variable. So you're going to find your variable in the equation, and you need to get that variable all by itself. And in order to get the variable by itself, to isolate it, what we do is the opposite operation. So same here. When we have a multiplication, we're going to divide. And when we have division, we're going to multiply in order to isolate our variable. So here's number 1. We have 3x equals 15. Now remember, this 3x, what's happening, what operation here is multiplication. That means we're taking 3 times x. So 3 times what is 15? Now I bet you all can tell me that it's 5, right? Because what you're doing is you're taking 15 divided by 3 equals 5. That's how you can find the answer. And so that's what we do. We do the opposite operation. So remember, we do our little shink, do our little line there. And the opposite of this is to divide. Now not only do we do the opposite, but remember, mathematically it has to cancel out. So do you guys remember Wilson's bam bam rule? We have the bam bam rule. These 3's cancel out. We can go bam, bam. Now why? Why do those 3's cancel out? Because 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So really that turns into a 1. I'm left with just 1x. And 1x is just x. We can write it as just an x. So that's why we're left with just an x on this side. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 times x is x. But I have to balance my equation. If I divide by 3 on this side, I have to also do it to the other side. So I divide this by 3. Bring down my equal sign. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So x equals 5, like we knew. And we can check that. Remember, 3 times 5, if x is 5, 3 times 5 is 15. So I know it's correct. So I was just explaining why and how it works to divide when there's multiplication. So in our next one, I'm going to draw our line. So think about it. Can you do it in your head? Do you know what negative 2 times what is negative 10? Okay, now we're going to solve. So this is multiplication, so I do the opposite. I'm going to divide. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. And I see here, negative 2 over negative 2, bam, bam rule. Bam, bam. Those cancel out. Leave me with just an x on this side. Bring down the equal sign. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and a negative divided by negative is a positive. So I get x equals 5. And then I check. Does negative 2 times 5, what does that equal? If I multiply these, that equals negative 10. Negative 10. Check. That's correct. So as I explain these, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pause the video to write down the problem. And you probably want to pause the video to copy down everything I write down. You guys know me. I kind of talk fast and I go fast. So pause the video, write down what you need, rewind, listen to what I say, and copy down all the steps, okay? You want to write all this in your notes. Alright, you put the line here to keep the sides separated, so we know what we do to this side, we do to this side as well. This is multiplication, so we're going to divide by 13. Bam, bam. Divide this side by 13. Our x comes down, and we have 26 divided by 13, which you might not know that in your head, but I know 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. I know 13 is half of 26. So if you divide it, you're going to get 2. And negative divided by a positive is a negative. So watch those signs. And then do your check step. 13 times negative 2. So you can use a calculator to check, and you'll get negative 26. So we know we're right. Okay, one more multiplication problem here. This one might be a little bit harder, but it's all the same process. You do your line. This is multiplication, so So these cancel out, bam, bam, leaving with me an x. And here, 9 divided by 12, well, that's just a fraction. Positive divided by negative, it's going to be negative 9/12. But we can simplify this by reducing it. So go ahead and reduce it, because 3 goes into 9 and 12. So I divide them both by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. X equals 3/4. So on your calculator, you can take 3 divided by 4 times 12, and it will tell you that it's 9. Okay, so on to division problems. Now, most division problems in equations is going to look like a fraction. Remember, fraction means you're just dividing. So this is x divided by 3. Now, to undo division, we are going to multiply. I'm not going to use an x for multiplication because it gets confused with this x. So I use a dot. Oh, forgot my line. I multiply this side by 3. What I do to one side, I do to the other. I multiply this side by 3. So when you multiply, these 3's cancel out, leaving me with an x. And here, 6 times 3 is 18. Now think about it. Is that right? So I have x, which is now 18, over 3. X over 3. X is 18. What's 18 divided by 3 equal? 6. So it works out. So now I'm going to show you why this worked. So how come we can do that? Why do those cancel? So I have here x over 3. And what I'm doing is I'm times by 3. Okay, so think, when we have a whole number times a fraction, what do? We make this a fraction. We make this a fraction. And when you multiply fractions, you multiply the top. 3 times x is 3x. And we multiply the bottom. 1 times 3 is 3. Now look, this is our bam-bam rule. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1. Those cancel. Leave me with just x. So that's showing you why mathematically it works. That when something's divided by 3, you just multiply, and they end up canceling out. Because what it's doing is taking 3 divided by 3 is 1 to cancel. Okay, let's do a few more to practice. Remember, pause the video and copy this down, and then do your line. You can pause the video and solve it, and then check too. So divide by -5, that means I'm going to multiply by -5. And I do it on both sides of the equation. These cancel, leaving just an x. 5 times -5 is -25. Now we check. If x is -25 divided by -5, what do I get? A negative divided by negative is a positive, and 25 divided by 5 is 5 indeed. So it worked out. Alright, this one will be slightly harder. Same process. Put a line through the equal sign. This is division, so that means we're going to multiply, do the opposite. Multiply by 10 on both sides. These 10's cancel, leaving me with x equals -18 times 10. When I multiply by 10, I know I just add the 0. So 18 times 10 is 180, and negative times a positive is a negative. Alright, I guess that one wasn't very hard. The next one we're going to have a fraction. Okay, so the last thing to learn is when you have a fraction. So this is multiplication, but how do you undo a fraction? How can we get these to cancel out? So remember, if I have like a 4 over 4, these cancel, leaving just a 1. So is there a way I can get this 3 to cancel and this 4? Well, what if I had a 4 up here and a 3 down here? Then the 3's and 4's would cancel. And that's what we do. This is the reciprocal, remember? We've done that before. What we do is we multiply by the reciprocal. So this is super important to include your notes. Multiply by the reciprocal. That's how you get rid of a fraction. Cancel out fractions by multiplying by the reciprocal. So I multiply, you flip it and you multiply. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So I multiply this side by 4 over 3 as well. Get that line there. So these 3's, bam, bam. The 4, bam, bam. Goodbye, fraction. X equals, okay, so multiplying this, we can do it. You just take your number times the top. 2 times 4 is 8. And then you put 8 over 3. And I would reduce it if I can, but that's as reduced as it will be. You do not have to change it to a mixed number. Improper fractions are fine by me. Okay, let's practice a couple more fractions. So split this up. We multiply by the reciprocal. See the fraction? Multiply by the reciprocal. So you flip it, and there's that -1, so don't forget the negative. Alright, and then you have to do that to the other side, times 4 over -1. Alright, bam, 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 those go away. And here, you're going to take this times the top number. 6 times 4 is 24 over the bottom number, -1. Now I can reduce this. 24 divided by -1 is -24. And that's the answer. And again, you can check this. If you take -24 times -1/4, you will get +6. You can check it in your calculator or solve it out, whichever you want to do. Okay, here's another fraction. So we multiply by the reciprocal. Split this up. I multiply by 2 over -5. So you flip it. Same to the other side. What we do to one, we do to the other. So I multiply this by 2 over -5. Now some of you might wonder, sometimes fractions are written like this. And like the fraction's negative, and you might be wondering, well, which number is negative? It doesn't matter, just choose one. I always just make the top one negative, so I like kind of cross that out. I'll just make the top one negative. But just one number is negative, both of them are not. Okay, so one number is negative, it really doesn't matter which one. Alright, so 5, boom, boom, 2, bam, bam, leaving just an x. So multiply the top number. -15 times 2 is -30 over -5. And then we can simplify that. A negative divided by negative is a positive. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So you just get 6. Watch this, I'll check this one. So here's our equation. Times x, which is 6 is what we got. So I'm taking 6 times 5 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. And a negative times a positive is -15. -15. So it takes a little bit more effort to check the fraction ones, but they will work if you do it correctly. Okay, let's do one more. Alright, line through the equal sign. There's a fraction. So multiply by the reciprocal. What we do to one side, we do to the other side. And then here's my bam bam rule. Goodbye 7s, goodbye 2s. I am left with an x here, equals, multiply by the top here, -4 times 7 is -28 over 2 over the bottom number, and that can be simplified. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Negative divided by a positive is a negative, -14. So you can check that. -14 times 2 is -28 divided by 7. Positive 7 would be -4. So you can do that little check. Alright, that is solving using multiplication, division, and fraction.